On behalf of April and Nick, I want to thank everyone for being here on this joyous afternoon and for taking the time and making the effort to be here today to help April and Nick start their married lives together, surrounded by people who love and support them.
A word spoken when the time stood still and I felt the weight of the moment.
I may be the older sister and definitely would not have admitted this when we were growing up, but I look up to April and I'm so proud of the woman she's become. She's the voice of reason, a great role model, and above all, a great friend. I don't know what I would do without you, and I'm so grateful you're my sister.
Smitten at the sight of you, I'm falling. Every little thing you do.
Nick and I have grown up really close to each other, even sharing bunk beds at one point. So, as I know, we know each other about as well as anyone can. What I know about Nick is that, first off, he can eat a whole raw yam. And that he's crazy dedicated to whatever he puts his mind
to. Take these promises, hold them close for a lifetime. Hand in hand, I am yours, you are mine. Oh, I know, this is where my heart is home. Oh, my darling.
Nick, from the moment I met you, I liked you. Although when April first told me she was going on a date with someone she found on Tinder, I was a little skeptical. But I can honestly say that I've never seen her as happy as she's been since you swiped right and entered her life. I have an incredible sister and I'm blessed to be gaining a brother today.
Suddenly it just adds up. Everything alive.
Nicholas, do you pledge to choose respect, kindness, and compassion towards April, to listen intently to her, to be honest and truthful with her, and to work to foster a loving and healthy marriage for as long as you both live with April as your spouse?
I do.
You may now share your first kiss as husband and wife.
Oh, my darling, smitten at the sight of you, I'm falling. Every little thing you do, I'm all in. Forever yours, it's true. Oh, my darling, smitten at the sight of you, I'm falling. Every little thing you do, I'm all in. Forever yours, it's true. Oh, we feel it all at once. Suddenly.
So I think it's safe to say that he will give April everything he has, and they will have a long and beautiful life together. And April, you look amazing today. And Nick is beyond lucky to have found someone as caring and patient as you. And I couldn't be happier to call you my sister.
Suddenly it just adds up. Everything alive when we turn